Mahalaga na dekalidad yung mga ginagamit namin na semento dahil sa legacy infrastructures yung tinatayo namin. Hindi siya yung tatayo mo ngayon, isang bagyo, dalawang bagyo, masisira na. So legacy infrastructures ito, it will last generations to come. Kailangan dekalidad talaga and high quality yung cement na ginagamit natin para sa mga projects na mga binubuhusan namin. Keith Jaspan Alojado. I'm an entrepreneur since after college. Ever since I was a kid, I was part of the business. We are into corn trading back in Iloilo. And then my cousins were in the hardware business, sa construction. And then I always wanted to shift to that. And then right after, I saw the opportunity here, malapit sa Clark, malapit sa Pampanga. Parang maganda pumasok sa ready-mix concrete. Sinimulan ko yung Tarlac Apex Concrete Products Incorporated noong 2019. We saw the opportunity here in Bamban, Tarlac, mainly that it's near to the supply chain. Malapit sa Pangasinan, malapit sa Tarlac, so buhangin sa Kabato, accessible siya. And then, market share namin, we can deliver to Clark within 30 minutes. Whole of Tarlac cover namin, and certain portions of Nueva Ecija. So far, it has been really good since the start. 4 trucks lang meron kami. Ngayon, we have 16 transit mixers. And then, we also invested in logistics team. So, we have our own raw materials, dump trucks for pickup ng mga raw material supply namin. We cater to all industry and construction, so mainly roads, bridges. We have residential, but we're not the one building the houses. We're the one who supply the ready-mix concrete. So lahat nilang foundation, poste, flooring, kami nang bubuhos. One of our major projects is Mac Builders. Yan yung from Clark to New Clark na airport access road. And then there's a school in New Clark City by University of the Philippines. We're also the supplier for ready-mix concrete. So currently we are here in RD Talent's construction site for University of the Philippines na school project. We started pouring here from the foundation up until now, almost complete second floor.
Nag-start kami rito noong September 23 last year, 2022. Ang target completion natin is December 18 this year. Ang floor area natin is about 8,000 square meter. We have 2 floor with 1 car park. Lahat ng project naman natin dapat dekalidad yung mga materials na ginagamit natin. Kasi nga, andyan yung nakasalalay yung tibay ng structure natin. Siyempre, yung mga kalamidad ng dumani, earthquake, yan. Kailangan talagang maganda yung mga quality ng materials natin.
Choosing the suppliers for ready-mix concrete is very stringent. We are also accredited by Department of Public Works and Highways. We are very stringent when it comes to raw material testing, on-site testing. We check our concrete on-site, compressive strength, air content, and slump before pouring. This project can last for generations to come for the betterment ng future ng mga estudyante na pupunta dito para mag-aral saka sa maitulong sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. How we make sure we give them the best quality concrete is mainly by checking our suppliers, mainly cement, aggregates, and sand. So for cement, we have partnered with Northern Cement for their continuous supply and reliability when it comes to high-quality cement. For aggregates, we have our laboratory for in-house testing. So before we qualify raw material suppliers, check muna namin sila on-site and then yung materials nila. And then every week, we also do testing para to maintain our top-notch quality. The clients are assured of our quality, of our consistency, and on-time delivery of our ready-mix concrete. Pinakamahalagang filosofiya, I think, is sa pag-aalaga ng mga tao. Kasi yung manpower, talent pool namin, yan yung pinaka-importante at saka inaalagaan talaga namin kasi sila yung number one sa serbisyo. Kung sila yung pumupunta sa client, sila yung nagsaserve. Para maganda yung serbisyo namin, yung kumpanya, maganda din yung trato sa employees namin. I guess the impression na brand namin is quality, on time, affordable. Mahalaga na dekalidad yung mga ginagamit namin na semento dahil sa legacy infrastructures yung tinatayo namin. Hindi siya yung tatayo mo ngayon, isang bagyo, dalawang bagyo, masisira na. So legacy infrastructures ito, it will last generations to come. Kailangan dekalidad talaga and high quality yung cement na ginagamit natin para sa mga projects na mga binubuhusan namin. Matagal na kaming partners ni Northern Cement since 2020. Isa siya sa maging pinakamalaking suporta sa amin nung pandemic. And sa quality, dekalidad, so ordering, mabilis yung response nila, nakaka-deliver agad. Pag kailangan ko ng madaming semento, pinapadala. Pag kailangan ko ng konti, sinusuportahan din kami. Matagal na yung pagsuporta ni Northern Cement. Sa quality, wala kaming problema. When it comes to technical, kompleto din sila. We have a really good relationship with Northern Cement and they have been one of our longest suppliers. Sa lahat po namin na projects, Northern Cement yung ginagamit namin. Sa UP project, University of the Philippines na school, sa road project ng Mac Builders, Northern Cement yung ginagamit namin. Pinakamahalagang filosofiya, I think, is sa pag-aalaga ng mga tao. Kasi yung manpower, talent pool namin, yan yung pinaka-importante at saka inaalagaan talaga namin kasi sila yung number one sa serbisyo. Kung sila yung pumupunta sa client, sila yung nagsaserve. Para maganda yung serbisyo namin, yung kumpanya, maganda din yung trato sa employees namin. Number two is sa quality ng lahat ng raw materials namin. Kasi lahat ng linalabas namin na produkto, gusto namin is dekalidad talaga. So lahat ng pumapasok, chine-check din namin para dekalidad yung pumapasok, dekalidad yung lumalabas. What we want is to leave all our projects with quality assurance, aesthetically made, kasi ready-mix concrete is 50% ready-mix concrete supplier, 50% contractors. If magaling contractor and maganda yung supply ng quality cement, maganda yung pagka-finish, maganda yung paggagawa, it will last long yung roads, schools, buildings na i-pour namin.